Hi YouTubers, I just wanted to show you how I'm going to deal with my driveway as soon as it's able to be dealt with. Got a little skid steer. I have a bucket for it. Right now there's forks on it. There's still snow kind of buried the fork, so not ready to go yet, but just about unburied. I had some plastic and everything covering the motor and the seats and all that, keep all the melting water away from all that type of thing. So I moved the tarp away. And now we're pretty much in safe zone. I can just leave it exposed. It'll be alright. So this is going to be the toy, or the machine, or the workhorse, or to save myself with a shovel. It's going to have a bucket put onto it, and it's going to deal with this uneven, potholey, dimpled, messed up, hard to get through, water puddle retaining pockets. That is just not very fun going through the vehicle, and some of these holes are pretty deep, so I'm going to deal with it with that little skid steer. Just a little video, but we're some time away from that yet. As you can see, all the water, things are melting. Lots more time yet to go. Lots more snow yet to go. It's coming though. Beautiful day today. And where's Sasha? There you are. Thank you for watching, everybody.